How to change your username on Snapchat twice a year. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Snapchat username twice in a year. If you open Snapchat app, you'll get an interface like this. Head into your profile by tapping on the Bitmoji or the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then if you head into the gear icon or settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, you'll get the option username and tap on it and you'll be able to change your username here. However, you can read that you can only change your username once a year, so if you have already changed it, you'll need to wait for until a year is completed. Now, however, if you want to change it, what you can do is scroll back on the settings, scroll down, and here under support, tap on I need help. And once on I need help, once it loads up, scroll down and you'll find the option contact us. Simply tap on contact us and you'll get the option to submit a request. Here what you want to select is I need help with the Snapchat feature. Select it and tap on I want to change my username. Now it'll show you the way to change your username. However, since you have already changed your username, what you want to do is head back again and I need help with Snapchat feature, tap on it and scroll down and tap on changing my username. Once you do this, tap on need help and you'll be able to send in your username, type in your username, type in your email address and type in your description. Now you can say that you changed your Snapchat name by mistake or someone else hacked into your account and changed your username and you wanted change it to another username and then submit it, and Snapchat should be able to help you. So this is the only way you can change username on Snapchat twice a year. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.